In this video, I will show you how to turn a product URL into 13 realistic UGC influencer ads with only a few clicks. The AI reads the product page and extracts all the relevant information. It writes scripts in different styles and with different hooks. Then you pick one of the over 1500 AI avatars or create your own, and the tool gives you the finished videos that you can then post and A/B test. Posting once a week is not enough anymore. You have to post every day and ideally multiple times a day. And this tool will help you stay competitive without spending more time and without paying an influencer, an editor or script writers. In this video, I will show you how to use it. We will try it with physical products, but also apps and websites. And what's more, we will even build a custom avatar to make our videos uniquely ours. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. Okay, so we have a bunch of different tools available. We will take a look at the other ones later. For now, we only care about the video ad. Now we could add a product manually by inserting all the data, but we can also just paste a product link. I'm gonna try this one. It's this personalized part chain that I gifted my mom for her birthday. I think it's a really cute accessory. So I pasted a product link here and then we just analyze the URL. Okay, the AI scraped all the relevant information like the product name, the description, images and videos from the page, and even promotional info like a promo price and free shipping. We select the assets that we want to keep. Now that doesn't mean that all of them will be used in the video, but they can be used. Let's keep them all selected, and there's also one video clip in here, which is good because this can be part of our ad video. Then we configure the video settings. Let's keep it like this, vertical video 30 seconds. We have a bunch of different languages available. We keep English and the target audiences are pet owners and lovers and a few others. And then the AI prepares a bunch of different scripts in different styles. An emotional one focused on Christmas gifting. We can also pick a different tone. We can, for example, select Gen Z tone, which rewrites the script in a more casual way. Let's keep this one selected. And then we pick an AI avatar and there are over 1500 available. We can also create our own. We will do that later. For now, let's pick one from the library and we can use these filters down here. We want a realistic one, female, who is at home and she has a pet. You can filter this further, but I'm gonna pick Kendra. And then we get a bunch of previews. Now those are not the finished videos yet. They don't have lip sync applied yet and they will be rendered with a better video model in the next step. Those are just the previews, so you can decide if you like them or if you want to generate different ones. We can also edit them with this quick edit or editor feature. We will take a look at them later. For now, let's check them out and pick the ones we like.
Still out here looking for a Christmas gift that'll actually make her cry happy.
As you can see, it puts the video here in this little window and it adds captions. And all these videos have the...
Still out here looking for a Christmas gift that'll actually make her cry happy tears? Okay, a bracelet with her dog's real paw print and name on it.
And when she talks about the paw print, it applies the paw print image at the correct moment. So there is an intelligent AI behind it that decides when to show which asset. Then we have a bunch of very different styles.
Still out here looking for a Christmas gift that'll...
And these ones actually have a different script.
Ouch! I just bought a personalized gift yesterday and today the price...
Keep in mind that the lip sync is not applied yet. It will look better in a moment. So those have different scripts than our previous ones.
Finally experiencing what it's like to enjoy premium personalized gifts without...
Okay, this one sounds a bit generic, but let's just select a few of them and then we render them with a button click. Okay, here are the final videos with lip sync. Let's check them out.
Still out here looking for a Christmas gift that'll actually make her cry happy tears? Okay, a bracelet with her dog's real paw print and name on it.
So this is what I really like. It positions these assets, these images and videos at the appropriate moments in the video.
We'll literally do that. Just send us a photo of the paw print and we engrave it onto a stunning...
Here again. And it took us pretty much no effort to make this video and they are ready to post like this.
15mm disc bracelet. Pick gold or silver, add the pet's name, and you're done. Every single piece is handmade to order in Spain and ships within 1 to 2 business days. So you still got time, no stress.
If there's something you don't like, we can still edit the video. We will take a look at that later. And if you like it, you can download the video and it's yours. Let's also check out the call to action at the end.
gift box, so zero wrapping needed. Do not sleep on this. Order before the holidays and give her something she'll wear for.
Yeah, really professional. If you want to try it out yourself, the link is in the video description. You get 10 free credits every month, so you can try this for your product without paying anything. We will try this tool with an App Store link in a minute, but for now I want to create my own custom avatar to have our own unique branding. Now with video to avatar we can even make a realistic clone of ourselves. We will try that out later. For now we will prompt an avatar into existence with the text to avatar feature. Here we decide how our avatar should look. Let's make her female, young adult, Caucasian. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill out the rest. And if you're wondering why I'm sweating like a pig, we have a heat wave here in Europe. And of course, the more interesting your influencer looks, the more attention you get on social media. So be creative here. I'm creating a red-haired, blue-eyed girl with lots of freckles and a scar across her eye. Now, I haven't tried this out before with the scar. We will see how this works. And she has a large, bright smile when she talks. And I want to show her inside a gym. Let's give this a try. We get different options to pick from, but this outfit is a bit too boring. Let's go back. And sorry, but I have to change preferable to tight wear. Actually, let's set it to tight leggings. Sorry, I don't make the rules. And a sports bra. I don't care about the color. Let's try this again. Okay, I think those are better. I like this one here in particular. And then we can give her a voice.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for
I think this voice is fine. We can pick from different voices. We can also clone our own voice, which I did here, more on that in a moment, or import a voice from 11 Labs. But the predefined voice is already very fitting. So let's keep this one and then create her. Now this takes a while, so in the meantime, let's also try out the video to avatar feature, which we can use to clone ourselves. So for this, I just recorded myself and talked to the camera for about 25 seconds. You need at least 15 seconds, but the more footage, the better. And I just talk about whatever. Everyone, my name is Florian Walter and I'm the creator of the AI tool called blah blah blah. And then we upload this here. We can add some behavior prompt like the emotions and gestures we use. And then we can generate an avatar. But I've already prepared one earlier. Here it is.
Hey, welcome to Creatify. I'm one of the AI avatars that you can work with. Just give me a script.
The voice isn't perfect, but it has my German accent.
And I'll do my best to bring it to life. I'm excited to make videos for you.
We can even create new looks for me with AI. Let's try this out. Let's just insert samples here. Behavior prompt. He speaks extremely expressively. Let's give this a try. Those are the preview images. Let's pick one of them, even though I would never dress myself like this. Create style. Now actually this has to be reviewed first. The same is the case for our prompted influencer. I guess they want to make sure that we don't create gooning material, but from my experience this only takes minutes. So let's wait a bit. Our female influencer is ready.
Hey, welcome to Creatify.
And she has the scar across her eye as I prompted. Bright blue eyes, lots of freckles, red hair. It's exactly as I prompted it.
Hi, I'm one of the AI avatars that you can work with.
And it looks super realistic and the mouth movement is also great. And the gym in the background, of course.
Just give me a script and I'll do my best to bring it to life. I'm excited to make videos for you.
Yeah, I think this is really good. Let's see how our Florian clone is doing. Still reviewing. And here is our AI generated Florian variation.
Hey, welcome to Creatify. I'm one of the AI avatars that you can work with. Just give me a script.
Yeah, I think it's quite a cool feature. You can put yourself into these different scenes without having to re-record yourself. Now I want to create another set of ads, but this time from a Play Store link instead of a physical product. Let's see how well this works. So again, I copied the link of this page. We paste it into the video ad maker, analyze the URL. It extracts all the information and images. Now some of them are duplicates because they are on the page multiple times. So I'm gonna unselect the duplicate ones. You can also upload additional assets from your computer. We also have a promotional price. Let's say this is free for a limited period of time. Let's generate this. Again, we configure all the settings here. Again, we get a bunch of high quality scripts to pick from. We can also generate more scripts. And this time I want to keep the tone more professional. So let's go with this one. And this time I'm gonna pick 2 influencers instead of 1. Our generated girl and my clone. Now they are not combined into a single video. Instead we get variations with our female influencer and me. Let's check them out.
The moment you switch from typing to speaking, your phone becomes 10 times more capable. Whisper Flow captures your natural speech, including stutters, corrections, and...
Yeah, I think it's really good.
The moment you switch from typing to speaking, your phone becomes 10 times more capable. Whisper Flow
I like the contrast between this pretty girl and my completely autistic demeanor.
The moment you switch from typing to speaking, your phone becomes... The moment you switch from typing to speaking, your phone becomes 10 times more capable.
Ouch! I just upgraded to the unlimited plan yesterday, and today it's free. With the unlimited plan upgrade fresh in mind, discover how SpeechX transforms your phone's capabilities instantly. Whisper Flow captures your
Do not use this product if you want to spend extra time editing your written messages. With the TalkText app, you instantly unlock efficiency.
The quick edit feature is also very interesting. So when we click on edit, we can select between the fully blown editor, we will take a look at that in a moment, and quick edit. This is really cool because here we can replace single scenes and then let the AI regenerate the video with the new script or the new images. We can also change the caption style, the background music, the influencer voice. And this is a very nice way to create variations of the same ad with different hooks, different call to actions, and then you can A/B test which combination works the best. I'm gonna pick a bunch of videos and then render them. And again, the results are pretty good.
The moment you switch from typing to speaking, your phone becomes 10 times more capable. Whisper Flow captures your natural speech, including stutters, corrections, and rambling, and converts it into clean, formatted text instantly.
I like the screenshots that go in and out.
No filler words, no incomplete sentences. It works seamlessly within WhatsApp, Slack, Gmail, chat.
Remember, all of these images and information is fetched from the App Store page. We didn't have to configure any of this ourselves.
GPT in any app you already use. Starting with quick replies during a commute, it quickly becomes an all-day essential. Download it free while the unlimited plan is still available.
They are really good, and the call to action highlights the free plan that we added to the promotional info. Again, if you want to try it out for free, the link is in the video description. Now when we click on edit, we also have a fully blown editor with more control. Again, we can replace the script here. We can also replace the influencer for a completely different one. Emotions, captions, we can add elements, change the audio, background music. You have full control here. This is a fully blown video editor. We can trim clips, delete them completely. And then when you are done, you can click on render and generate the video. Now we can even post directly to social media platforms from directly in here. We can connect our account to TikTok or Meta or Google Ads and manage everything from inside this platform. If you want a full tutorial on this, let me know in the comments below and I will make one if there is enough interest. Then we have this launch with AI media buyer feature, which is even more sophisticated because this one has an AI agent that handles all the ad management for you. It analyzes how well your ads perform, how much money you are spending, and then it can go ahead and make changes on your behalf to optimize your ad strategy. I haven't tried this out, but again, if you want me to make a full tutorial, let me know in the comments. Now, if you want to create more advanced video ads with more creative situations, like a drone show, unboxing, all these examples you can see here, you can use these high-performing UGC ad templates and clone them with your own product. I have a separate tutorial on that. I will put a link into the video description below. Check it out next, because you can do some really cool stuff with these templates. But one more thing I want to show you in this video is the image ads feature. Just like video ads, we can paste the URL here or choose one of the existing products. Let's pick the part chain that we set up earlier. Let's add some selling points. Unique gift for pet owners, stainless steel, beautiful gold or silver color. You can also set a brand logo or change the brand colors, which affect the generated advertisement. And down here we can select the aspect ratio. Let's make it a square this time. Let's generate 4 different images in English language. Let's check out the results. So we have 4 different images and the quality is really good. Look at that. I think it looks amazing. And what I really like about this tool is that you have your whole ad suite under one roof, basically. You can create and launch your ads directly from here and you don't need anything else. I'm actually blown away by these image ads. One more feature I want to show you are these interactive HTML ads because they're really cool. Again, you can insert a product URL here and then you can generate something like this. an HTML ad with animations. It can even react to your mouse when you hover over it, and you can insert them into your website with a vibe coding tool like Lovable, for example, and then link this button to the product on Amazon, for example. I have a full tutorial on this. Again, the link is in the video description below. Check it out to learn how to make these and integrate them into your website. Lastly, there is also an API available if you want to use Creatify from within your own app or from an AI agent, for example. It can call these APIs directly, so you don't have to open the website. And they have endpoints for video generators, image generators, the ad clone, HTML ads, and all the other features. You can even use the URL to video feature directly from this API by sending the URL of your product to this endpoint. Again, this is useful if you either want to implement this feature into your own app or call this from an AI agent like OpenClaw. Again, if you want a more detailed tutorial on this, let me know in the comments below. The link to Creatify is in the video description below. Try it out yourself, you get 10 free credits every month. And then, if you want to bring your ads to the next level, check out this video here in the end card where we use the UGC ad templates to make even cooler video ads.